We also go across to Shiv Sena MP Arvind Sawant, who's joining us live right now. Mr. Sawant, thanks a lot for speaking to CNN News 18. Now, you've been a big supporter of Veer Savarkar. Do you agree with what Rajnath Singh has said?
Definitely, what he said is absolutely correct. But then I was rather surprised why the issue has been erupted now. Because neither his birth anniversary is there nor his death anniversary. How come the issue has erupted now?
It was at a book launch on Veer Savarkar.
Since this, yeah, how it has come? What was the reason for that? Somebody just thought of Savarkar and brought this issue down in the public. It's a good thing, nothing wrong in it. But I do not feel there must be some political motive behind it. As far as Veer Savarkar is Swatantra Savarkar is concerned, our beloved leader Balasaheb Thackeray used to always say that he should be honored, rewarded with the Bharat Ratna. But then during the last 7 years, we are in the ruling power. We are not able to give him Bharat Ratna. To speak out something in the public and to work actually to honor him as by giving him Bharat Ratna is a different thing.
Okay.
You are in power. If you have got so much love, affection, regard, respect for him, then why not Bharat Ratna to Swatantra Savarkar? That is the question. I feel it is on the
I'll come to that question, but you're raising a question
election.
on the timing of this debate. But this is not the first time that a book has been released
Yeah,
on him.
really, I
This
do
is
not
not the
know.
first time that people are contesting or discussing the contested legacy of Veer Savarkar. Why do you claim that there is some conspiracy over the timing? Shouldn't we discuss this any time it happens? And this was because of a book launch.
No. There must be something behind it. It cannot be erupted like this. It's not a volcanic reaction. Something was going on for a long time and suddenly somebody came and said, it is not that. It is, I feel, on the background of the Uttar Pradesh election. This issue has been brought up now.
What is the
Because
relevance that Veer
the whole
Savarkar has
idea is
to
to
UP
that.
elections, sir? Is that not a bit of a stretch?
I'll tell you, no. It's a relation is totally different. The relation is that the ruling party wants that the people should forget the inflation. The people should forget the rate of the petrol, diesel, gases are changing. People should forget what is happening in the real life. They are losing jobs. The jobs are temporary. The salaries are not sufficient. Umpteen number of issues are there. And they are directly related to the lives of the people. And the ruling party in the center is not able to serve the people in a right way or give them any relief on these issues. Take for example Marshall, number of cyclones have come, Nisarga had come, Taukte had come, Gulab had come and perished the farmers' crops. The central government is silent on the issue. And to divert this issue, because we are emotional, we are sentimental, we have definitely very high regard, respect for the Swatantra Savarkar. And we feel he should be honored. But the motive and the timing, I have a doubt about it.
Okay. The BJP says that what about your own partners in government right now in Maharashtra? What do they think about Veer Savarkar? They're not very happy with what Rajnath Singh has said. Are they in line with your view that he should be given Bharat Ratna? For them, Veer Savarkar is a very divisive Hindutva icon, figure. You must have heard what Asaduddin Owaisi today has said. That what Rajnath Singh has said is actually distortion of history.
I think what Honorable Rajnath Singh ji has said, I appreciate that. I have no doubt. As far as ideology is concerned, Shiv Sena has not left her ideology. And we cannot say yesterday Savarkar was God for us, today he is bad for us. No. Shiv Sena is a party of a commitment, party of words, party for the patriotism. And as far as Savarkar is concerned, we have highest regard in our heart.
But what will your message be to the NCP and Congress who are in power with you, sir? That's the question on Savarkar. They don't like him.
That's the question. See, whatever it may be, they have their own ideas, they have their own views. It's a democratic country. We cannot impose them. What we say should be the same thing to you should also say. Same thing, same way. They are also not compelling us. Are they compelling us to leave Savarkar and join us? No, 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 no. They are not compelling us. We are firm with that issue. We were with the demand to give him Bharat Ratna since beginning. Since 2014, we are in the parliament. I myself in the parliament. We are demanding it. 7 years have passed. Let's show that we have a highest regard for Bharat Ratna, Swatantra Savarkar, by awarding me Bharat Ratna. That's the only point I feel to be important for me as far as.
No, but the BJP says that you've compromised on your ideology that you're talking about by being in power with those who Savarkar opposed, or the concepts that Savarkar opposed. Then how are you true to your ideology?
Good. It's a good question. Thank you. When you talk about ideology, you cannot backstab. When the ideology is not only for Shiv Sena, it is for them also. When they sit with Mukti Muhammad, where was the ideology? Where was the ideology? When they sit with some of the other parties in the south, who are the Muslim Leagues and other parties, they join hands. Where is the ideology? The ideology is not only for Shiv Sena, it is for them also. So don't forget, don't point out that only Shiv Sena is doing it. No, Shiv Sena is firm on his ideology, and was, is and will remain firm on his ideology.
Okay, in that
regard, as far as the power is concerned over here, it is a totally different political issue, because the words have not been kept, and we have been backstabbed, and therefore we have resorted to this way. And I think the Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra has openly, loudly and clearly made his statement on the floor of the assembly itself regarding Savarkar and why we have joined with this, made this government over here.
So you will support if the central government grants Bharat Ratna to Veer Savarkar?
100%, 100%.
But can I ask you finally also, there is a contested legacy here. You firmly believe that Savarkar was a patriot, he was a nationalist, but his views, his patriotism, nationalism is contested. And there is the opposition to him. Are you not happy in some ways that a discussion is happening on that, a revision of that is happening? We are revisiting how to see Savarkar?
I am not unhappy with it, but I was rather surprised how it has erupted now. Still again and again, I am not able to understand. It's a good thing. Chalo, better than late than never. At least you have raised the issue again. Now go ahead with that Bharat Ratna. That's all.
Okay. Thank you, Arvind Sawant, for joining us. The Shiv Sena maintaining they are steadfast behind Veer Savarkar. Why doesn't the BJP give him a Bharat Ratna, which has been their long-standing demand? We'll continue to track this political row very closely. Time for a very short break.